My people, draw your chair near me. May we gather down. Check the paper of today. May we see how the headline be. Today, Monday, 18 November 2019. Let's check the paper. Senate President of Nigeria, Ahmed Lawan, don't talk and say the Ninth Senate no go allow the presidency. They use the do Obubuyeke again. Says the present time, this period, then go sit down where they do things when go benefit Nigeria. They don't put everything when we say na myself, me and myself and family. Now either they do for house. Say they don't go do that one again. We still they look down whether not true that they talk because now every day they can't pay promise us. They don't know say we they watch them for plasma TV. One day all of us will rush come out. Oh, you know that kind of thing now. You come pin them down one ground because they come out they tell us what they don't go fit do. They don't even know say now they na rubber stamp. No be me talk about na Senate President talk Lawani na he talk say they not go allow them they use them like Obubuyeke again as they fed they use them do Obubuyeke. Senate President I talk this one though. The Junior of America don't do another one again. President Donald Trump aka Junior of America. President Donald Trump don't attack another weakness again. Person will come out say AI is rich and he know everything when Donald Trump they do. I think they do people can say Donald Trump not supposed to sit again as a president. So the man could come out talk saying a weakness for waiting they happen. Now Donald Trump when not the waste time they fire him back. Trust him now. Donald Trump not be they use and play now only Buhari not the fire. But Donald Trump he fire him back. Because for America, hate speech not be problem now. Now only Nigeria, if you talk there, say Nigeria, now Nigeria now you talk now hate speech with that too. Because you never know. If you talk anyhow for Nigeria now war, hate speech. Now that one I did board now for Nigeria. But for America, if you talk, I talk. Weakness come out, now Donald Trump reply. See, who come for people this thing where they do so. Now Donald Trump will not be this one. I know say this one belle they sweet some people. Many people belle know they sweet them. INEC don't talk and say David Union na him win Bayelsa State election. Election where they do on Saturday on the 16th of November 2019. He say now David Union na him win now. After they don't check everything, the vote, how the people take come out vote. They can't talk and say David Union he scored 352,557 votes. While PDP when they follow them for back, like say they escort them, they can score 143,172. So the margin when they take score the too big well. Be like say now their junior brother and be now. Now this is the first time where APC they win PDP for Bayelsa, the home state of former president Ebele Goodluck Jonathan. So Goodluck don't even congratulate himself with his wife. Now so, but I know say some people belle they know they suit them because APC now the way when they do the thing we don't understand that. So belle know they suit some people say APC just the and they may talk. So say Baba Buhari don't talk again. Baba Buhari say if you not agree for the election what they do for Bayelsa, make you know the talk. Carry your bag, carry everything when you get, carry go court. Say na court, na him you suppose go make you not talk say the election do the election that who die not concern you, who not die not concern you. Say whether they read them or they not read them or who they or who no they, you not concern you now. Wetin concern you now, who not like wetin the INEC talk make it go court. Draw your hair come. Buhari come close. Make I ask you one question. If court rule and no favor una dey obey am. no be when e favour una dey obey. If e no favour una go say we no hear am, we no hear wetin dey talk. But if e favour una before we comot for court room, una don obey am. Now you say make we go court when we know say una go still talk wetin happen. Abeg carry face comot, carry am comot. INEC don talk am say Yaya Bello na him win Kogi state governorship election wey dem do for Kogi on the 16th. That's on Saturday, last Saturday on the 16th of November 2019. They don congratulate Yaya Bello for the election when he win. Everybody don congratulate am now. But Dilo Milaye, brother Dilo Milaye, Senator Dilo Milaye, Uncle Dilo Milaye, say he no like the election. Say wuru too much for the election. Say people die. Some place they don't even do the election at all. Some place when it be say he forget power where say na there APC for destroy everything, keep people. They ring the election, they do everything. Two people die for the election. Say wonder why INEC go still go ahead and call the result of the election when be say people when die where they many. Say as a result when they cancel many pass the figure when they talk say Yaya Bello dey winner. So him not agree for the election. PDP don't still talk and say they not accept them. Say the election they not agree. Couldn't PD. There's all of them don't talk and say they not like the election. Say mago wuru is too much for the election. Finally, the federal government don't release the circular for implementation of minimum wage. You know, say federal government don't talk and take say they want increase salary for the workers. Everybody come dey talk say you don't do this period make the kukuma do am. Now they come dey do am since they do people here with the wait. Now they don't finally release them. Don't give the labor union say make they go finalize them for their each state how they will do the implementation. So if you be workers for Nigeria, this one now I want to say congratulations ahead because the government don't finally release them waiting on the fight for since. But this one not mean say as they don't release them now things will come high for Nigeria because now the problem might be that one as they don't improve this one now who they set amount to go increase it, who they set money go. In fact, landlord go say he don't increase the whole rental because things don't dey there. They could not let this minimum wage bring inflation come the country. With the beg una, I beg, make una not use greediness to spoil the thing when we want still console with the beg una. Now this one I will get for today's newspaper. Tomorrow we'll bring another one for now. Tomorrow na another day. Tomorrow make una still watch and listen. Please don't forget to subscribe. 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 Kuna subscribe.